Welcome back. So our next topic is overview what you will build by the end. So basically in this course I am going to tell you about each and every important steps through which you can build any Shopify website very easily, whether that is for drop shipping for India or for international or like whether it is for your own products. If you have your own products and you want to sell it, you don't want to do any drop shipping, so you can also build, you will be also be able to build the Shopify website. Okay, so I will cover each and important every point in this course. So first of all, you need to join um, the Shopify account. You need to create your account. So once you will enter your email over here and you need to click on start free trial. So you will get a pop-up. Okay, let me show you like what type of pop-up you will get. So let me enter some dummy mail ID so that I will be able to show you, like you will get a pop-up of plan selection and you just need to, okay, I just need to, here you can see for the get 3 days free, then 3 months for rupees 20 per month. So I just need to enter the password, and after that you just need to, you will get a pop-up and you just need to select the basic plan. Okay, so I'm not doing that because I'm also using the Shopify on my, so it can consider my account. So I'm not doing it right now, so I'm just closing this. But after that, once you will do that, so that's very simple process, you know, and you can just skip and it will ask you for doing the main thing, like you it will be what type of store you want to make. So you just need to select the drop shipping or as per your requirement. And after that, once you will do, so you will just come to the dashboard like this. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you about this dashboard. The basic thing I'm just telling you right now, but in the coming videos I will cover in details. So this is the home page. Here you will see the home page. There's no need to doing this right now. So after that, you just, this is the order. It will display all of the order you will receive, and this is the draft. Whatever, if anyone will go to your website and he will enter some details and then he will cancel the order, then you will get the some details over here. And this is for the abandoned checkouts. If someone will enter some details and cancel the cart, then you will get this the details over here, like email and ID entered or phone number entered. It will display all of the products, whatever the products, and you can add the product from over here. And this is the collection. So collection is basically like the categories. So if you will go to Amazon, so there are categories like men clothing, women clothing, men footwear. Okay, so this is the collection. We can create the collection over here. And this is the inventory. You can manage the inventory. Like you can go to the products and you can just uh, track the inventory from over here, like how many products are in stock. And these are the purchased order, how many orders are purchased, and these are transfers. This is nothing important. Gift card, yes, you can just create a gift card to give to your customers. So this is the customer. You will get all of the details about your customers, and you can also add customers from over here, or you can import. And this is for the marketing. If you have to, so it will uh, display some details about marketing. And these are campaigns automations. We will cover that in coming videos in details. So these are the discount. You can create discount coupons from over here. It's very easy, and content. This is very important. Like if you have to create a blog post, you can just click on blog post, but I will tell you in the coming video how to create a blog post, not from over here. I will teach you like how to use the blog post. And this is the menus, very important. Like so I'm just clicking on my store over here. I can see my store how it is looking right now. So this is the default. Once you will create a new store, you will get like this. So this is the default theme, that is Dawn. And these are menus like home, catalog, contact. So here you can see there are two menus right now. This is the main menu, home, catalog, contact, and there is footer menu in which there is search. So this is home menu, and in the footer, if I will go to footer, so there's a search bar. Okay, but it is not showing anything. So that's fine because it's not mentioned anything over here. It's written only search. Okay, we can add menu items from over here. Okay, we can create duplicate. So there are so many options. Like as an example, this is the main menu, and I have to add about us page. So I will just click on add menu item, and I will add the text, and here this is the link. I need to add the page as well, but right now there is no about us page uh, created, so that's why I'm not able to link. So, and linking is very important. If I will try to click on save without linking, so it will throw an error. So there's a need of, I will tell you like how to create the pages. And this is, you can create the pages from over here. Like if you will click on online store, first of all I need to discard this. So here you can see these are the, if I have clicked on online store, this is themes, pages, and preferences. So this is the pages. Let me create a page first of all, that is I want to create a page about us. And I'm just pasting the same thing over here, and I need to set the visibility as visible, and I need to click on save. And now the page has been created. What I can do is I will go to the content, menus, and in the main menu I will click on add menu, and here I will write about us, and in the link I will go to the pages, and now I will select about us. Now it has been linked, and if I will click on save, so it will get saved. Here you can see menu updated. If I will refresh the page, so here this menu has come, that is about us. So this is how we can create page and menus. You can also add the menu in the footer as well. So this is about menu, and this is these are the files, whatever the media file you can upload. So right now this is, I'm going to delete this, or you can just upload the media files over here, like any image file, video file. And these are the meta objects. This is not much important. uh, so these are the markets. So right, currently it is India, but you can, if you have to do drop shipping for international, then you can create a market and you can create international market from over here. Okay, so this is very easy, nothing much to do. You just need to give the name and you can just include condition if you want. Okay, so this is very easy. You can just mention the market, international market you want to create. So this is the catalogs. You can create different type of catalogs from over here. So if you will see, so this is the catalog. Now, like it has, right now there are no product, but you can create different type of catalogs use from over here. This is analytics. This is very important. You will see it daily. Like you, from here you can see about your sales and like how many orders fulfilled, how many returning customer rate, gross sales, orders. So this is very important. It will tell you how many customers visited. This is about the session. It can be about your session as well. Like if you are, oh, like I am opening this website, so this is also a session. My session will also include. Okay, so right now this is, no one knows this address, so there, no one knows about this website, so there's no one, anyone else come. So these are 17 session that is by me. So here, from here, this is the report. This is very important. You can just check the sessions by locations and other things. So here you can see this is United States and 54 sessions, and this is India, Haryana, Karnal, that is me. So might be there are some other one use checking this website from United States. So, and from over here you can just select the time. If I will check the time to today only, so it will display the details accordingly today. And this is the live view. This is very good thing. Visitors right now, that is two. So one is in from US and one is me. Okay, India. So it can give you the exact number of live users right now. Okay, so this is online store, and from here this is the theme, current theme. This one is your current theme, that is Dawn, and you can customize from over here. You can manage password, and this is the pages. I have told you about this. Preferences very important. Okay, so, and I will tell you about this preferences as well. And these are the apps which we will cover in the details in coming video. So that's pretty much about this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.